Alright, what's up everybody? We are back in Dublin, Ireland. Say hi, Joe. Hey. Say hi, Kyle. What's up, guys? So we are going to show you guys how to crush a 24-hour layer in Dublin. Let's go. Alright guys, so we are at the Dublin Castle. It's really cool, it has a lot of history to it. So it's actually where, up until 1922, Britain had its kind of headquarters here when it ruled Ireland. So it's really cool to kind of see a lot of this history. A lot of cool things going on here. We'll check it out. Ready? Cheers. Alright guys, so we are having some trouble getting to our hostel room. So we have room 211. But when you go in here, we go, follow me here. (209), 207. Where's 211? I don't know, but we gotta figure this out. Alright, so it turns out it was 221, and the guy got it wrong. So we are in. We are ready to rock. Let's go. Oh, nice. Oh, good lord. Alright, I gotta put this down. Hang on. Oh, here he goes.
How's it looking?
What's the report looking, Joe?
Not good, looking good, fellas.
Not looking good. Outlook is not good.
Hey, there's a time clock. Oh, we already go over the vlog like.
Alright, what's up everybody? We got Joe. We got Kylie. We got yours truly. We are at the Generator Hostel Bar. We're gonna do something real soon, so just stay tuned. We're having fun. This is why you come to Dublin. This is the dream.
Woo. Hey, what's up guys? So we're at Temple Bar. It is one of the most lively parts of Dublin. There are people all over the streets. It is in full Christmas spirit. There are pubs everywhere, so we're gonna go find some music. We're gonna check it out.
Drinks.
Everybody, and that is how you do 24 hours in Dublin, Ireland. We'll see you next time. Peace.